So if you are in a hierarchy window, VI hierarchy window, and you need to redraw the window for some reason, the keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl and then D. Ctrl-D redraws the VI hierarchy window. So in the VI hierarchy window, if you have turned off the display of viewing the windows, the VIs beneath a certain level, and you want to now view all the VIs, the shortcut for that is Ctrl-A. Ctrl-A enables the viewing of all windows if that option has been turned off. Ctrl-A to view all windows. To view the hierarchy of a particular VI, what you need to do is Control and then click on that particular VI. All the other nodes that are not in that VI's hierarchy will disappear. To make them reappear, press Ctrl-A. Control-click to view the VIs in a particular hierarchy, and Ctrl-A to view all VIs. To search for a particular term in the VI hierarchy, just type that search. If you press enter, then the next matching term is shown, and pressing enter repeatedly moves you ahead in the matching search. You search in the VI hierarchy window by typing that text, and to move ahead to the next matching term you press enter, and to do the reverse, that is go in the backward direction, you press shift enter. Press shift enter to go back in the search history.